Welcome to Propak 2025, where we are featuring our new latest EPC.
Come and see our latest packaging system at Qualitex.
Come and see Sheeta's latest equipment at Propak.
Day one is done and dusted. Amazing feedback and response from the visitors as well as our exhibitors.
Propak was very fun. I had so much fun.
Propak brings excitement. It is about bringing new products to market and using Propak as the platform.
I enjoyed the networking and meeting new people.
The show is not about just the exhibitors, it's also about the content and knowledge. So on the floor in Hall 5 and Hall 7, we have the two seminar theatres. We also have the IPSA conference that'll take place in the Batelier room, here also at the Nasdaq Expo Centre. The next edition is only 2028, so if you haven't made plans to get down to Nasdaq, go onto the website propakafrica.co.za, register. You have 3 more days to get down here. Hope to see you soon.